Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just a couple hours ago, I made a video and I selected all these blue colors by hand and moved them over. And somebody suggested using Object Manager, which is pretty cool. And then when I did use the Object Manager, I thought this was a file that I'd created years ago. And I still think it is. I need to find it. But somebody's taken it and made it better. They've actually put it in layers of the vector engraving. So we go to open the vector engraving and hit the top one, hold down the shift key, go down to the bottom and select them all. Then you can go to your pen tool, select something other than a hairline and select black. It's still going to engrave if it's blue, if it's thicker. And then I would scale it with object as always. But now you've got black hairline or black engravable lines. But if you're not comfortable using Object Manager or these bits were all, it's a lot more lines than I thought. If those lines weren't put together, you could go to Edit, Find and Replace. I would not use Find and Replace. I would just use Find because you wouldn't have any way to control the thickness of the line. So we're going to just find an object. We're going to hit Edit Query. It's not a fill, it's a line. So we're going to double click on there. And you see I've already done it. But just check on your color, get your eyedropper, and go over to that blue and hit OK. And then hit Find All. Now for some reason you have to double click on it to get it to recognize them. And then you could just select all those. So it's a lot quicker than the way I did it, make it a half a point and make it black and scale with object just in case you make it bigger or smaller. And then just select all those and move them back and you're done. I hope that made a little sense and thank you for watching.